In the next video and in the corresponding exercise, you will be using a set of functions that we added to Matlab that allow you to what we call slice and dice, or partition and repartition through vectors and matrices. Calls to these functions have a form like what you see here highlighted. Now, in order to use those functions, you need to let Matlab know where they exist. And to let Matlab know where they exist, you need to give Matlab the path to those functions. Let me just quickly show you how to do that. Now, up here at the top of your Matlab session, there are a whole bunch of different tabs. And I never quite remember where things are, so you may just every once in a while need to push on all of those. Let's push on Home. And when you push on Home, you see over here a Set Path tab. So let's open that up. And that shows you all of the different places that Matlab looks to find functions that it may use. And what one needs to do is add to that a path to where these routines that I just talked about exist. So to do that, you then click on Add Folder. And when you click on Add Folder, you may have to navigate around a little bit. But in my particular case, I go to where I stored Laugh Spring 2015. That you did in week 0. You go to the subdirectory Programming. You go to the subdirectory of that called Laugh. Now actually, eventually you will want to set a path to all of these, but for the moment we're only going to set a path to the subdirectory called Utility. And then you open that, and then all of these files here, which contain these routines that we want to use, become at your disposal. So you say Open. And when you do that, this line right here gets added to your path. And that means that those routines can now be found and used. And then you say Save. And you say Close. And you're done.